Okay, for 29, they want the inverse function, right? So let's go through our steps. Step 1, I'm going to change f of x to y. Now I'm going to solve it for x, right? So I'm going to add 2 to both sides. And then I'm going to multiply by 3. So we get x equals, I'm going to distribute 3y plus 6, right? Now the next step, we change this to be the inverse function of x, and we change the y to x, 3x plus 6. And there's the inverse function. Don't leave it in factored form unless questions say that. The book is probably going to leave it as f of the inverse function of x equals 3 times x plus 2. It's not correct format to leave that in. Okay, for b, g of x, so I'm going to change that to y equals 1/2 x plus 5. Now I'll solve for x, so y minus 5 equals 1/2 x. Multiply both sides by 2, 2y minus 5 equals x. So x equals 2y minus 10. Change it, again, it's g, right? The function was g, so it's the inverse function of g equals 2x minus 10.